Hello! In this video I would like to talk about user statuses. You know that you can easily change your status into away or do not disturb, but if you need to add more details like the status message or the time when your status should go back to available, well, it takes time. Now I will show you how you can easily use custom statuses for repetitive activities like lunch break or daily meetings, etc. Let's open Collaboration Settings, Chat and Presence menu. Here we have our custom statuses. To add a new one, just select the status, away or do not disturb. Add your status message here in this field. It is optional. And set the time duration for your status in hours and minutes. And don't forget to hit this Add plus icon. Save. Once added here in this menu, the custom statuses appear here, allowing you to change your status into a custom one in just several seconds, like this. In case you would like to add a custom status without time duration, you can easily do it like this. Disable the time duration, hit Add, Save. So in this video, we have seen together how we can add custom statuses and how we can use them. Custom statuses can be with or without status message and with or without time duration. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.